Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the USB OTG on this device. Okay, so first of all, open the phone application and here you can enter the code *#0808#. So this is for the USB settings and from here you can select the option MTP. Tap on OK. Okay, and after this you can go to settings. Now go down at the bottom, you can see the option developer option. So in your device, you didn't enable the developer option. Simply go to about phone and go to the software information and tap on 7 times on the build number. It will enable the developer options. Now tap on the option developer options and scroll down. So under debugging section, you can see the option USB debugging. Enable this option. And again scroll down. If you go to the networking section, so here you can see the option networking. Scroll down, here you can see the option default USB configuration and from here you have to select the option transferring files. Okay, so after this one you can easily use the USB. You can easily connect the USB to your device. So simply in this way we can use the USB OTG on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.